Hey guys, and welcome back to LBOE. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a rubber band bracelet. So the first step I'm going to do is take your first rubber band. I'm going with red, and take it between your two fingers like that, and then you want to take it off, twist it, and then put it back onto both of the fingers. Take your little hook or whatever you want to call it and attach it on. So there's the first step done. Second step, what we're going to do is take another rubber band and put it right through the middle and then grab the two ends. Then I'm actually going to go with my two other fingers and grab another one and put it through the middle and to the end. And then I'm going to go up here and take a red one and go here through the middle like I did. And I'm going to keep going. Oops. Hole is, you just want to push it right through the hole and then kind of push it up into the little pocket up there, and then there you have it, a rubber band bracelet. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already, like and subscribe down below. See you in the next one.